Hello friends, welcome to my channel Science for Agri course. The section B of senior trainee question paper of all the groups have almost same type of questions. So whoever are preparing for any type of group of senior trainee or management trainee or trainee, please concentrate on this paper and try to solve this paper as it will be helpful for your preparation. This is the question paper of 2019 senior trainee. There is a chance of similar type of questions in 2020 question paper also. So watch the video till end and solve all the questions so that it will be helpful for your preparation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel Science for Agri course, subscribe to the channel. So let's start today's paper, section B. First question. A stone lying at the bottom of a pond appears to be at a higher point than it actually is due to the phenomena of. The answer is refraction of light. 72nd question. Mithali Raj is known in the field of cricket. The next question. The great emperor Kanishka belonged to which dynasty? Kushana dynasty. Next. Who shall be the ex officio chairman of Council of States? The answer is Vice President of India. Do or die is associated with the following movement. Quit India. Which bone is the largest bone in human body? The answer is femur. Next question. This is the match the following. On the right side, on the left side name of the unit is given, on the right side used to measure. So poise is used to measure viscosity. Farad is used to measure the electrical capacitance. Kelvin is used to measure the temperature, and calorie is the unit to measure quantity of heat. From here starts the quantitative aptitude. I suggest you to solve these questions yourself. In a certain code language, water is coded as pani. Pani is coded as meetha. Meetha is coded as namkeen and namkeen is coded as tasty. Then how will namkeen pani be coded in that language? The answer is tasty meetha. The next questions are to test your computer knowledge. The first question is, computer does mathematical tasks in registers. The operating system of a computer serves as a software interface between user and hardware. This is to test your English knowledge. Choose the word opposite in the meaning in the given word and mark it in the answer sheet. The first question in that is opposite of convict. The answer is acquit. Next is, in the question, fill in the blank in the sentence with correct option. Okay. 95th question. They still think that women are inferior to men. Next question. In the following question, there are incomplete sentences. Beneath each sentence, there are 4 words or phrases. Choose the one word or phrase that best completes the sentence. The first question is, he is fond of playing tennis. 97th question. Choose the kind of adverbs for the sentences. He comes here daily. It is the adverbs of time. He frequently comes unprepared. Here it is the adverbs of frequency. Next is, the horse galloped away. This is the adverbs of place. The child slept soundly. It is the adverbs of manner. Next question. Find wrongly spelt word. Deviation, difference, servant, poet. The spelling of servant is wrong here. S-E-R-V-A-N-T. So the answer is servant. Next question. In the following question, a sentence has been given in direct or indirect. Out of the 4 alternatives suggested, select the one which best expresses the same sentence in direct or indirect. The caretaker said, I will put the key here. The answer is, the caretaker said that he would put the key there. This is converting the direct into indirect. Next and the last question. In the following question, a sentence has been given in active or passive voice. Out of the 4 alternatives suggested, select the one which best expresses the same sentence in passive or active voice. Can we rely him? The answer is, can he be relied on? Friends, 2 more papers will be uploaded on this channel related to this section B. Subscribe to the channel Science for Agricos and practice those papers so that it will be useful for your preparation. If you find the video to be useful, like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel Science for Agricos for more useful content. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook.